Hey guys, it's the Bassman. I'm here once again with my last tackle box unboxing. I've unboxed Tackle Grab for February, Mystery Tackle Box for February, and Lucky Tackle Box for February. And this is the last one, the Lucky Tackle Box. And as you can see there, I have not opened it. So I'll do that now. My first Lucky Tackle box, as was with the rest of mine. Okay, so right off the top, it has this showing me what I got, the brand, and how much the value is of this whole box, which is $29.22. I got a little Big Bass magazine that I'll read, and then I got a coupon thing for a Live Target deep diving crankbait, and then I got Skinny Bear Bass Jigs drop shot hook, extra wide gap, 6 of them, size 2. Never used that brand. Look forward to using that. I got a free sample of Baitmate Fish Attractant Classic Bass taste. And then a Bass Grabber Double Hook Jig by Snag Proof. This is a weird looking thing. I'm kind of looking forward to using it now. Kind of like a topwater frog hook there, but it's for a jig. Pretty interesting. And then I got a Lucky Tackle Box sticker. I got another coupon for another Live Target lure. I got another coupon for a lure. And then I got a Live Target, Copper's Live Target crawfish, 13 feet deep diving crawfish crankbait. I got Bigfoot Baits craw. And then I got a Super Scented V&M black and blue wild thing. Like a really fat paddle-tail worm. There's 10 of those in. No, that's not. There's not 10 of those in there. There's like 4. And there's 4 in this too. These are sample packs, I think. Sadly. I think these are sample packs. So yeah, since these are sample packs, I'm gonna do some calculations on my own, because that is calculations of full packs. So, Skinny Bear drop shot hook. It says 225. That's about right. This is about right. That was free, supposedly. This Bigfoot Baits Kicker Craw, it says it's $4, it'd be $1 a piece, but that is not true. I would value that at about, I would pay for this exact same thing, same brand too, probably. Probably a $1 at my store. This probably another $1. This is, you know, this would be $12, $13 like it says. So I'm gonna value it about $25. Okay guys, that was my last Lucky Tackle Box tackle unboxing. It was. I think it was really good. The only thing I would change is these two things are sample packs. But hey, now I think this is worth my $15. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget, I'm the Bassman. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. My next video will be an overview of all 3 of the boxes I have opened and which one was the best. Thanks. Bye.